Hi, I'm Amanda Mickelson, and we are in an executive custom home by KRM Development. We're at 4010 Northwest 181st Street in Clive, Iowa in Shadow Creek. We have almost 2,000 square feet on the main level of finish. We have 2 bedrooms. We have beautiful details throughout the house. We have tall ceilings in the entry in the great room. We have a very soft feel to this house that really makes it super elegant. So we've got tons of storage in this home, and we have 4-car garage, so we've got tons of spots for your cars as well. So in this kitchen, we really wanted an elegant look, so we've got a hutch in the corner with a soft wood white oak on it. We've got a white cabinetry that goes to the ceiling, oversized range. And talking about oversized, you gotta check out the refrigerator and freezer. You've got a walk-in pantry, and we've got a built-in area for all of your utensils, for your cookware and things like that. So in the great room, we have a beautiful arched built-ins with that white oak. We've got stone to ceiling fireplace. Moving downstairs, we have just about 1,500 square feet finished. We've got 2 bedrooms, a large family room, and a beautiful bar. So as you can see, KRM is a full custom builder. If you want more information on this house or any others, I'd love for you to give us a call.